In this video, we will show you how to cancel a Bluehost subscription. If you guys want to get started with Bluehost, you can use the links down in the description. First, go to the Bluehost website and log in with your credential. In your Bluehost account dashboard, locate the Renewal section. Then, select the option to disable automatic renewal. This will prevent your subscription from renewing automatically at the end of the current terms. After that, go to the Account section in your dashboard. Here, find the option to cancel your account and follow the prompts. Now, ensure you have a complete backup of your website files and database, as all data will be deleted from the server once your services are disabled. Make sure there are no pending billing or domain renewals. Next, follow the instructions to confirm cancellation and account closure. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, contact Bluehost customer support for help. So, that's how to cancel Bluehost subscription. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Bluehost. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.